One of the highlighting products is the Honor MagicPad 2. It is a newly launched tablet targeting the higher-end market. It comes with a powerful processor and has a high refresh rate, making it a good choice for gamers and heavy users. As the flagship of Honor's tablet series, MagicPad 2 meets the productivity needs of users in a variety of scenarios by virtue of its excellent screen performance, flexible and versatile usage patterns, as well as the in-depth integration of hardware and software, making it a new generation of office tools. Let's check out the detailed information about the tablet below. The tablet features a 12.3-inch OLED display with a 3000 by 1920 pixel resolution. The OLED panel in the tablet is a great addition that will offer punchy colors for an immersive viewing experience. Typically, tablets cut costs with an LCD panel, but MagicPad 2 is not compromising in the display segment. Moreover, the company has also given a 144Hz refresh rate for a smooth gaming experience. Finally, it also has a peak brightness of 1600 nits, making it viewable in harsh sunlight. In terms of eye protection, it can realize AI out-of-focus eye protection technology, natural light-like eye protection, and sleep aid display, which greatly reduces the damage to the eyes from prolonged use. The camera is not the strongest point for this tablet, as it has a single 13-megapixel shooter on the rear and a 9-megapixel on the front. Tablets typically compromise on the camera segment, and the case is similar with MagicPad 2. However, it has a powerful Snapdragon 8X Gen 3 processor. It is an 8-core processor based on 4nm architecture, ensuring high performance and efficiency. In the core specifications, Honor Tablet MagicPad is equipped with a 3rd-generation Snapdragon 8X chip, which belongs to the positioning of the sub-flagship and can meet the user's entertainment needs in daily games. In the following game test, in order to maximize the release of Honor Tablet MagicPad 2 performance, we will change the power management to performance mode, at the same time in the open game mode. Being in the flagship tier of chipsets, expect it to run games without any issues. Fueling the device is a big 10,050 mAh battery that can be charged fast at up to 66 watts. In terms of size, Honor Tablet MagicPad 2 has a body as thin as 5.8 millimeters and as light as 555 grams, and is equipped with an 8-speaker system with high and low crossover technology that combines 4 woofers and 4 tweeters, combining leading speaker hardware and self-developed audio technology with a soundstage width of 100 degrees for even more immersive audio-visual enjoyment. The MagicPad 2 runs on MagicOS 8.0 based on Android 14 OS. Notable features include 3 microphones and spatial sound support. It is worth noting that Honor's new tablet only offers Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, despite technically supporting 5G networking. So there's a chance that a 5G-enabled model will launch later on. The company has packed the MagicPad 2 with various AI features like voice print noise reduction, Cloud AI Big Model, and multi-person conference voice-to-text conversion. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.